Hey guys, this is Hamza with Trading Secrets. Hope you all are doing well. Guys, I wanted to talk real quick about the stock market and some trading strategies that I want you guys to be aware of when you're trading, right? I know there's a lot of channels here who are very, very clickbait, and then, they're always talking about 5x's and 10x's and 100x's. Here on this channel, that's not what we're going to talk about. We're gonna focus a lot on the losses, right? Because believe it or not, it's not easy to lose. Winning is very easy, but when you lose, it's not easy. Loser is an orphan. They say losing is an orphan. When you lose, you're like an orphan. Nobody. You're just gonna be lonely, and it gets very depressing, right? Losses are always gonna teach you a lot more than your wins are, because obviously when the market humbles you, when you get humbled by the market, that's when you know that, hey, you need to stick to this. You need to stick to your discipline. You need to not get carried away. You need to not FOMO into whatever, not FOMO into a stock which has no fundamentals. It's just going up because obviously it's just getting pumped, and then there's like some news. Guys, you gotta learn, and you gotta be careful. This is your hard-earned money, right, that you're investing. You don't want to gamble away your money, gamble away your hard-earned money on all these like pumps and dumps, right? If you want to invest, you want to trade, go into stocks, check their balance sheets, check how the company is doing, what the fundamentals are, and then only invest when you believe in the stock. Because if you don't, you're never going to have that conviction. The stock goes down, it falls a little bit, you're gonna sell it, right? You're not going to average down. You're just going to panic, and that's the worst thing to do, right? So this is what I'm going to tell you guys. On this channel, we're going to be talking straight from the heart. We're going to be telling you straight analysis, facts, numbers, guys, because the numbers don't lie, right? You can tell me the stock is going 10x, 20x, I don't care. If the company, the fundamentals are not strong, guess what's going to happen? A stock can run up 10x, 20x, it can get pumped all the way up, but then at some point they're going to have to report earnings, right? They're going to report earnings, and then it's going to be a reality check for people, and then at that point a lot of people are going to lose money, and I don't want you guys to be one of them, right? I don't want you guys to be one of those people that are losing money on that. Hey guys, if you want me to cover a specific stock, a specific topic, it can be anything related to trading. I've been trading crypto, stocks, real estate, general merchandise, you name it, I've done it, right? I will try my best to cover it. Just mention in the comments below if you want me to cover anything, or if you have any feedback. Guys, hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm trying to help people here. I'm trying to help people not lose money. Let's just say it that way, because guys, not losing money, protecting your wealth is as good as making money, right? I know everybody wants to make money, but you want to understand this thing, guys, that yeah, you want to make money, but you also don't want to lose the money you made. You want to protect the money you've made. You don't want to gamble away the money. Guys, you want to gamble, go to Vegas. If Vegas is far, go to Atlantic City, guys. You can gamble there. But the stock market, or the crypto market, or wherever you're investing, or real estate, it's not gambling. You got to invest in real companies. You have to do your research. This is your money, so don't just throw it away. Guys, I've done it for many years. I got burned many times. I learned my lesson. Now I don't invest in any companies that I don't believe in, that I feel like, even if they're running up, they're trending, whatever, yeah, I'll if there's a company that's trending and it's okay, maybe I'll put in some money, but don't go all in on these companies, right? These 99.9% companies, oh, this is the next Tesla, hey, this is the next Nvidia, hey, this is the next Google. Guess what? 99.99% of those companies, they're not gonna be. They're just gonna end up, I don't know, maybe they're gonna end up bankrupt. I don't know. You guys do your own research, and guys, I can't stress enough, protect your wealth. Hey guys, I will see you next time, and you guys take care.